Hey everybody, Duck Number 8 Wooden Railway here, and today I've got 2 packages in the shape of a DVD. Here is my checklist. That means we can cross 2 more things off this list. Exciting. So, without further ado, let's unpackage. We'll start with this one, this yellow one. Which one could this be? The top is ripped off. Oh, this is Henry and the Elephant. There's the disc. There's the front, the spine, and the back. It's actually the original release, even better. And with that, we can check Henry and the Elephant off the list. Where is it? 2008. Amazing. So that means we have all the DVDs from Milkshake Muddle to The Birthday Express. Wow. That means we have all the 2008 DVDs, even though not all of them were distributed by Anchor. Well, they all were distributed by Anchor Bay, but my personal copy of Rusty to the Rescue is, I believe it's the Lionsgate version. That's okay. And then let's open this one. Which one could this be? Let's pull it out. The note is showing. Oh, there it is. What is it? Sing Along and Stories. Another of the song compilation DVDs. This was just my billing receipt, though. With that, we're gonna open Sing Along and Stories, though. It's sealed, though, so I have to unseal it. I think one of these 2 came from Quebec, Montreal, Quebec, and the other one came from Ottawa. Alright. Now I have to undo the security tape. Hold on. Aha. The security tape is off the top. Nice. Anyways, the front, the spine, and the back. It's also distributed by Anchor Bay. We open up. There's the disc. Oh, it even comes with a pamphlet. Even better. Let's look at the pamphlet then. Sing Along and Stories, front. We got 7 songs and 2 episodes. Well, it looks like we even have a bonus song on here, that being It's Great to Be an Engine. And the back, though, I've got Thomas and the Really Brave Engines, Thomas Comes to Breakfast, 10 Years of Thomas, Percy Saves the Day, Hooray for Thomas, Thomas and the Jet Engine, Thomas's Snowy Surprise, New Friends for Thomas, James Learns a Lesson, Best of Thomas, Thomas and his friends get along, and Thomas and his friends help out. So I pretty much have all of these except for Thomas Gets Bumped. I'm still looking for that one, but now we have all of the song compilation DVDs, though. Did I show the back? In case if I didn't, here it is. Why is there a screenshot of Make Someone Happy? That episode is not even on here. Not to mention, this is a Season 4 DVD with 2 Season 4 episodes and all of the Season 4 songs. Well, except for the Anthem song, that's the Season 3 song. And plus, the It's Great to Be an Engine sing-along is a Season 5 song. Bonus song included. Anyways, we can check off songs from the station. Sing-along and stories off the list. Where's it? Here it is. 2006. Good. Now the only 2006 DVD we need left is Thomas Gets Bumped. Thank you for watching the video about me unboxing these DVDs. Bye.